Ever wondered how you can earn money while you sleep? It's not a fantasy, but a reality for many. Today, we'll be delving into the world of passive income. This is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's not a magic bullet, but a strategic approach to generating extra income. The benefits are clear: more financial freedom, flexibility, and the potential to grow your wealth over time. Are you ready to explore the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep? Stick around till the end to find out. The first passive income idea we'll discuss is investing in stocks and bonds. Now, this might sound a bit intimidating, but bear with me. You see, when you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of a company. As the company grows and makes profit, you get a share of that profit in the form of dividends. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loaning money to a company or government. In return, you receive interest on the amount you invested. The beauty of this method is that it can provide a steady stream of income. The more you invest, the more dividends and interest you earn. However, it's essential to remember that this requires an initial investment and some knowledge about the stock market. It's not a gamble, it's a calculated risk. So with some initial investment and market understanding, stocks and bonds can be a great source for passive income. The second passive income idea on our list is investing in rental properties. Imagine owning a property where someone else pays the mortgage. Sounds pretty good, right? That's exactly what happens when you invest in rental properties. Your tenants' rent checks go towards paying off your property, and any surplus is pure profit in your pocket. But don't think it's all sunshine and roses. Owning rental properties can be a bit of a double-edged sword. Yes, it can provide a consistent stream of income, but it also comes with its fair share of challenges. For instance, you'll have to deal with maintenance costs. If the plumbing breaks or the roof needs repairs, that's on you. Plus, dealing with tenants can sometimes be a tricky business. You'll need to vet them properly, ensure rent is paid on time, and handle any disputes that may arise. Although it comes with its own set of challenges, rental properties can be a lucrative passive income source. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. This strategy is a brilliant way to earn passive income, especially if you're already active online. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept, really. You promote other companies' products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone purchases these products or services through your referral link, you earn a commission. Think of it as being a middleman, connecting consumers with products they need or want. The key to success in affiliate marketing is having a strong online presence. This could be a blog with a large readership, a popular YouTube channel, or a social media account with a significant number of followers. Remember, the more traffic you can drive, the higher your potential earnings. It's all about building a platform where your voice matters and where your recommendations hold weight. If you have a strong online presence, affiliate marketing can be a profitable way to earn passive income. Our fourth passive income idea is creating a blog or YouTube channel. This idea thrives on the power of content creation and its ability to attract and engage a broad audience. The beauty of this approach is its versatility. You can blog or vlog about anything that captures your interest, be it cooking, tech reviews, travel, or finance. The key is to find your niche, something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Once you've built a platform and an audience, the opportunities for monetization abound. Advertising is one of the most common ways to earn passive income. This could be through display ads, sponsored posts, or product placements. The larger and more engaged your audience, the more advertisers will be willing to pay for a spot on your platform. But advertising isn't the only way to monetize. You can also create and sell your own products or services. For instance, if you're a fitness blogger, you might sell workout plans or health supplements. If you're a tech vlogger, you might create and sell an online course on how to build a computer. The potential of a blog or YouTube channel as a source of passive income is truly enormous. However, it does require dedication, creativity, and consistency. It's not an overnight success story, but with time and effort, it can turn into a substantial income source. Remember, the digital world is your oyster. With creativity and consistency, creating a blog or YouTube channel can turn into a substantial income source. Last but not least, developing an app is another way to generate passive income. In the digital age, apps have become a staple in our everyday lives, from organizing our schedules to entertaining us in our downtime. Now imagine creating an app that does just that and monetizes it through ads or in-app purchases. Yes, you heard that right. It's like having a virtual storefront open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with the potential to reach millions of users worldwide. Now, while this does require some technical skills, don't let that deter you. There are numerous resources available to learn app development. Alternatively, you could hire someone with the technical expertise to bring your unique app idea to life. So, if you have a unique app idea and the means to develop it, this could be a goldmine for passive income. Harness the power of technology and let your creativity flow. The digital world is your oyster and it's time to find your pearl. As we've seen, these are just a few ways to generate passive income. Let's quickly recap. We started with investing in stocks and bonds, a time-honored method that, while it might seem intimidating at first, can be a reliable source of income over time. Next, we looked at rental properties, a more hands-on approach requiring initial investment but offering substantial returns. We then delved into the world of affiliate marketing, a fantastic option if you have a strong online presence and a knack for promoting products. We also examined the potential of creating a blog or YouTube channel, a path that calls for creativity and consistency but can be incredibly rewarding. Finally, we explored the idea of developing an app, which, while it may require technical skills or hiring a developer, can lead to significant earnings. These methods require some effort and initial investment, but remember they can lead to a steady stream of income over time. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.